If bacon and brisket had a baby, this is exactly what it'd be. I've been wanting to do this for a long time. Pastrami beef ribs, all that salt flavor, all that cured flavor. It's like beef bacon. I'm gonna look at that color right there. Can't wait. There's no way this is bad. Not only is it absolutely beautiful, it's absolutely delicious. That may be the best bite of barbecue you're ever gonna have. That was way too easy not to make like all the time. That smoke, that bark, everything on that roughneck did its job. Perfection. Like absolute perfection. I'll give you all brisket. I'm taking this.